Good evening, my fabulous 16. So tonight, I'm just gonna talk about what happened throughout my day, and all that good stuff. So first thing that happened when I woke up this morning is, well, I went to put the trash out in the garage, and then there was a bird that had somehow gotten stuck in the garage. So, yeah, opened the garage to try to get it out. Actually flew into the house, and then I don't know, I think I scared it when I opened the garage door, because once it flew in the house, it hid behind the curtains for I don't know how many minutes. It was for first, I'd opened the back door to try to let it out, but it literally just kept playing peekaboo. Like, it would run to one side of it, and then run to the other side, and poke its head out, and then go right back in. So that went on for a few minutes. Then it flew back out from behind the curtains. We opened the door, and it flew around the dining room for a bit, and then it finally flew back out. So, yep. Then I had breakfast, and I filmed my promo video for Old Spice for their it's for their new product that's coming out October 1st. You can check that out on Saturday when I make it available to the rest of you guys. And and I watched JoJo Siwa, and I watched Shameless, and at dinner was Sloppy Joe's, and I did the description translations for the promo video, and well, now I'm doing this vlog. And that's about it. Anyways, if you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want, you can like me on Facebook, follow me on Pinterest, and add me on Snapchat. And check out my Amazon links in the description. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye!